Okay, so this morning I'm gonna replace the tie rod using this Allen wrench and this 18mm wrench. Luckily it came out easily, so I don't have to use any kind of special tools. I just had to rotate the knuckle just a tad and the tie rod end fell apart, luckily for me. Okay, so I don't have a wrench for this nut, so I have to use this pipe wrench. Okay, now that I got this loose, okay, now I can turn this. I got one turn, two turn, 24, 25, 25. The new ones are hard. You can't move it like you can this one. Okay, putting in a new one, you're gonna turn 25 turns. 1, 2, 24, 25. So after you got your count, you're gonna tighten these. Tighten it up. I'm gonna use a pipe wrench to tighten it down again. This 13mm into here to hold it for me, so I don't have to hold it by hand. You rotate the knuckle back and forth to align the tie rod end back in. Install the new nut that comes with the new set. Okay, got both the passenger and the driver side tie rod in, and we are good to go. Let's go clean up and take it for a test drive. So yeah, it's gotten a whole lot better. I'm going to 70, 80 miles per hour. No more shaking. So to sum up the tie rod replacement, you really don't need perfect size tools and stuff. Work with what you got. Yeah. As long as the procedure is correct, and everything should be good to go.